You have couple artists, we don't take disrespect and all at once. That's the first thing. But you have certain artists who can diss me, I'm all it. You know what?
We understand that at least one man.
Alright, everybody stay calm. Everyone not to rush to the exits.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, how the latest news that
Listen to me. But I will come follow up thing. Pussy, you no put my name in a song and now me a show and say, yo, yeah, we're following up now for real. And the rhythm wanna slap over. The underwater mixed with the Shensia rhythm. With the other one, do you slap over too? The Massacre.
The Massacre, the Cha-Cha with Sean Paul.
Alright then, it not gonna work too. Me I telling you right now, it not gonna work.
Yeah, the chops, them are a little too obvious.
That's not, that's not.
Saying. They're a little too obvious.
That's not. But I promise you, I will never speak on 450 again. Cause I'm saying, before me done, cause I don't hear that part. Before me done, 450 a bad artist. And do I think he will find song? Of course he will, because he's a bad artist.
Do you know that they edit out that part?
I don't give two fucks. And I'm there simply say, not no, because why would any artist want to drop when Massacre?
When Massacre finally
is
out there, yeah.
This 450 thing. I'm gonna start right this up. I'll start from right this up. Cool?
Cool.
Let's clarify certain things. 450 are bad artists. And you can never find a video but I say 450 and a bad artist.
Yeah, even the one them wanna chop up and I try make it sound like.
When them a chop up because them not fans like them a chop up something like that. Them a chop it up. Cool? 450 are bad artists, and there's nothing I can say and there's nothing I can do or anyone that can do for take away him being a bad artist. I'll even go further and say I've never heard a bad 450 song in terms of the song of fuckery. I never yet hear that.
It's
but a good song don't mean it's a hit song.
Right.
A good song don't mean it's a hit song. And he hasn't found a hit since 2023 while on Richard. If you want to consider Demon Girl a hit, cool.
I'd consider it a hit.
Cool. It may find nonsense.
Okay.
There's no hits on the album.
No.
Right? There's none.
None.
And let's clarify again. I never vex say him say what him say about me on the song. I mean say what I say. And more tell you too, I been say that from there foreign. Me and Negos, them Ray, me and Chevy, from OG Toxic Talk days.
Enough Toxic Talk episode, you
understand? So I never feel no way about it. But here we have a problem with now. You know, follow me up, dog, and you can't follow me up, bro. Stop following me up. Oh, not promote a girl song. I try style one man. Me not get that. If a man go out and say, yo, do a song and say, yo, me not suck pussy like Bad Boy Trevor. Cool. Cause Bad Boy Trevor video come out and nobody put it out. You know for him, but whatever, it is out. And I'm gonna reference that, right?
Yeah.
But if it's a girl song, why am I going to promote that part of the song? Una pay me and Danger, una pay everybody for say, una use my name as clickbait.
But you know why?
And then una gonna go link up Tan Travel. Tan was never my bitch. Tan was never my girl. So it's like una there try to get a reaction out of me, bro. And that was just corny. Like in real life, that just corny, bro. So I don't like to the song do, and I don't promote the song. Because number one, the song don't even make no fucking sense. Brother, me fuck good pussy girl. No pussy that make me doze off. And when you eat food, you doze off, brother. You get niggeritis. No pussy never make me doze off. When me fuck and go my bed, me don't plan for go my bed. So you go, Jaii?
Yeah. So what?
Boss, you pick me and you live with the woman, right? If you're a woman fucking a daytime, you go sleep. But make you eat a stew peas.
Yeah, man, you go hold out.
Yeah, man. You doze off. So the song is about eating. You understand? So, I want to eating. And ladies, to some ladies in the comments, Jay, we know, where. You don't want to know pussy kiss? Make me know right now, you know. Because I never know that's a crime. And the next thing too, if you not go style me, bro, 450. If you not go try to style me,
But you know,
style me about body wash, bro.
but what me I say to you?
Wait no man.
Alright, yeah.
Style me about body wash, brother.
Yes, sir, yes.
But you couldn't style me about body wash because under this on the father. You can't. I try style a man, but kiss pussy. 2025? Really? Really?
Okay.
Style me about body wash, man. DJ Masanda, man.
Right.
Style me about body wash, but you couldn't do that. Because under this on the father. You couldn't say, yo, we don't want brata like Jeffrey. We don't want brata from girl like from Frais. You couldn't say that. So you stop following me up, bro. Next thing to the producer. Hey, Mercedes.
That more I get to know.
Bro.
I think this is a 450 issue.
Bro.
It's not a 450 issue, bro.
Me and no man have no issue. I swear to God, me and a man never exchange words before. So me and a man don't have issue. And niggas say me on the road all the time. Me and a man don't have no issue. If you notice, as I say, 450 are bad artists. Me can't take that way. If me go as far as say I'm my artist too, I'm rate 450. But he does not find a song because he not branch off. So the song them sound the same.
Very familiar, you know.
The song them sound the same, bro. Once you have voice for the same producer over and over and over and over, you are gonna sound the same.
Yeah.
You get me? But
True.
hey, Mercedes, find some song yourself, bro. Find some song. You're the only producer I know that call themselves alkaline producer, and you don't have 3 each song with alka. As a matter of fact, me go as far as say you really have 1 each song with alka. And at Ocean Waves. Me not hear Frais call himself alkaline producer. Crazy hits. Me not hear Jordan call himself alkaline producer. Crazy hits. Me not hear Sunshine call herself alkaline producer. Crazy hits. Lee Miller. Crazy hits. Not nice. Crazy hits. But you are the only person call yourself alkaline producer. And you barely have, you have 1 solid hit with alka. So make it make sense, my nigga. When you go find song and you manage the artist and you can't get a collab, all you can get is a picture. Where the alkaline 450 song there? As a fan, me I wait on it. As a fan, I need that song. I need that song because in reality, you probably not like me because I say something bad about alcohol, something you deem bad because I saw you think work, you know.
Well, nobody can say you.
DJ song, come here talk too much.
Nobody can say you're like, this is what I need for make sure we get across, especially on this episode. Because I hear some things, see some things that people are saying, I'm not only accountable. First of all, I'm not hold nobody accountable when me, first of all, if me agree, there's nothing to hold accountable. What me want to get across is that I don't think this is a 450 issue. Clearly, such man have a problem with you, and we know why. I won't get into what the situation is.
Man, I know why.
You know why.
You know?
You know why. You see me? Mm-hmm. Because what is how your name even drop in at the song? It's the most random drop in I've heard in quite some time.
What may I say though? What may I say? Oh, not try to make me the face of Boaz. You have real life Boaz out there, bro. I say me kiss it at one time. I mean, I have a lie for myself. Me kiss it at one time. Me double down, triple on my life.
Naturally.
Say what you say, because again, Ray say what them say. Is that where I come from? Mm-hmm. So you can't follow, you not use everything. Man, none of them care. See that? See that? You not kiss pussy like Frais. Man, watch out, bro. Like, watch out, bro. In a real life, the other producer, because there's 2 producers on the song. The other producer, it don't even make sense acknowledge him. Honestly. Because he had the music too, and theme things them can't even pass 1,000 views per audio. So I'm not even going to do that. You see me? But as I say, we're not going to spend too long. I'm not have issues with 450. 450 are bad artists, and I'm going to say, I'm going to fine tune eventually. If I'm a betting man, but he does not find a tune in a long while, and I'm not spend this 1 bag of money. You know, someone could have said me money. I'm going to tell you what me vex for. You know the $500,000 challenge off of my name, and you don't send me a dime.
Could have sent crazy bankroll.
You could have link Valiant and say, Valley, Jaii boy, we don't like him, but
yeah,
we are dealing with business right
crazy
now.
Bankroll too.
Why him Zell? And you Zell me, and me come out and we just do something and we just promote the song together. And we just send the song around the real way. I mean, answer the song with a bus, you know. Because nothing wrong with the song. But the song just sound like the average 450 song. You see me? About the artist, I want to say 450 have hits.
The
Being
part,
office, but him just not find recently.
the part of the song that make the song is that part there. Because it's a shock value, quote unquote shock value. And I won't even say shock value because that's something I say all the time. At least pan toxic.
So that me I say, man, I have a problem with that being on the song, bro. My problem is when I promote that part that when I reach out to tons and them look away, they like say, when I try to get a reaction out of me, bro.
Well, that's exactly what they were trying to do, bro.
I mean purposely never gonna do it.
Yeah,
Because my sister when I try beat me.
We did avoid it.
My sister when I try beat me, I don't continue. But you say me like a reply, you know. But I say me gotta wait. Matter of fact, I say me gotta wait till November the 4th. Because November the 4th is the anniversary of Wild and Rich. The last time 450 ever hit. That was 2 years ago. Ask the man and follow me and tell. Because we've been here about that song before it drop.
Mm-hmm.
But you know what I'm glad for? I'm glad to now make Shane creative rich. Because Shane will tell you, me and Shane them come up together.
Big up yourself, Shane.
Big up to Shane, and I see where Shane come from, I see him there, I see where he's heading. Mm-hmm. So I'm glad to now make my friend rich. You understand? Remember, say, me have a picture in my phone with 4 man. I lift up 450 and I put him in a bed with roses. If me I like God strike me. If me I like God strike me. We can't do the trolling game. We can't do the trolling game for real, bro. But I'm say we not upset about that, brother. I just that we not promote. I've never seen. Tell me if I like me and tell me, brother. You ever see a man promote him song for the second verse, bro? An intro and chorus man promote, brother. We not promote second verse a song.
I must say,
come on, watch out, man.
You know why the
watch out, man.
Answer, bro.
Watch out, man.
As I say, it's not a 450 issue. As you say, not an issue, but it's not a 450
problem.
Issue with
nobody,
you know why it's that saying of the song, and we know why some man feel that way.
Jaii, what I say is not about the saying of the song. I'm gonna wrap up because I'm not spend too long. I'll have a promotion for give you. I'll give the promotion after this. It's not about that saying of the song. We're gonna promote that part there of the song. As if me are the face of bowing, bro. As if me are the face of bowing, bro.
Jay is not the face of bowing.
I'm not the face of bowing, bro. I'm not a boss. And matter of fact, niggas know who for ask if I'm a boss. Niggas know who for ask if me did kiss it. Niggas know who for ask. I'm probably that's where the beef I come from. Oh. But I'm off that.
Oh.
I'm off the beef, bro.
Oh.
We're not even eating meat anymore. You know what I mean? So we're gonna do it this, but big up to 450. You understand? Big up to the Hey Mercedes team, the Hey Mercedes crew. You know what I mean? But yeah, I fuck with the 450 songs. In real life. They are real artists.
Yeah, man,
we can't take that from him, bro. Not at all, isn't it? And the next thing too, me and Danger Quest Times, all of them will get paid. Collect on the bread.
Yeah, continue to it.
Collect on the bread.
Of course.
Collect on the bread. Continue post to see him from the Benz to from the bicycle to the Benz.
We know they're sending y'all crazy bankroll.
And they not sending me no crazy bankroll. We do promotion too.
We do.
Bumbuck the lights up. My GPS believe in bro.
It's stressing people.
No, dog, I'm not tell bro. I'm tell you, dog, listen. Yo, I'm talking liquor. Yo, I'm tell you say, there's a money for drink something. If you joke me that run. Listen to me I say, dog. Listen to me I say. You have a couple artists, we don't take disrespect and all one. That's the first thing. But you have certain artists who can diss me and I'm hold it. You know why? I make crazy money off of them name. You see, Alkaline, any man who have vlog, I want to do a video upon this, whether Fame Edges, Terror Dan, CMR, Tef Nation. So when you put Alkaline name in a caption, you eat food.
Yeah, man.
It's when you put Vibes Cartel name in a caption, you eat food. Them two name there. Are the two name them.
For sure.
Recent times you can put Massacre name in a caption. And back in my head there, and just what you can put Skilly Bang name and you collect a food. I can't put 450 name and collect food. You see me? So I don't expect that. That's disrespectful. You're being rude, out of order. But we're gonna move on. Let's talk about the promotion. People, we're promoting